money to be earned. In fact, that's where the big money is to be earned. I haven't even broken that down on this little example, because building one of these people in little boxes to the manager level can be worth $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, even $3,000 a month or more. Notice the little dotted line going up from these 4 boxes to the company. One of the neat things is that you don't have to supply these people. You bring them on as partners, but the company supplies and services them. So you decentralize. You're just out developing business and helping your partners, but the company handles a lot of that busy work that normally ties up a lot of time. Now let's continue on. This is an example of just a very tiny microcosm of our bonus card program, of our travel program. I'm talking Montrose, Switzerland. I'm talking Hawaii. I'm talking cruises. I'm talking Ireland, Little Dix Bay in the British Virgin Islands. Every year this company takes people to outstanding places. And you know, if only 15 people had earned cars in the company, you might say, well, that'd be kind of neat for the big shots. But literally, I don't know the number anymore, but it's over $50 million at retail value in bonus cars that have been earned by our leaders. Now let's take a look at another side of the company, Charles. Remember we talked about the laws of air and water, that's technology. And then we talked about the law of nutrition. If I go back here, on this side, we've got our technology side. But then I jump ahead, and we've got the wellness side. That's the N, or the nutrition side. Now on this side, it's very similar to the technology side in how you get paid. But there are some differences. To take advantage of the wellness side of the business, it's the same exact thing. You become a consultant or a dealer for $25. By the way, your membership covers both sides, so you don't have to pay that $25 twice. Then if you want to start earning money, first thing that you need to do is fall in love with the products and believe in the products. We recommend that you go on what is called auto ship. Auto ship is just a fancy way of saying you get an automatic delivery of a few of the key products to your home every month. And we recommend that you get 70 points worth of these products. That will cover a small order that you need to stay healthy personally. Typically 70 points will run $110 to $120. But I'm going to show you how to get these products for free at the least, all the way up to making a lot of money. So the first thing that you do, Charles, is you go on auto ship. Okay? When you go on auto ship yourself, and then you register one customer or one consultant under you, then you earn 12%, see box number 1 there, 12% from the purchases of that client. And then when you register a second client yourself, that's box number 2, you earn 12% from the purchases and uses of that client too, but you also earn 18% on the one that are sub-accounts under those 2 accounts. I kind of call these your children in box 1 and 2, and your grandchildren down at the 18% level. It gets real wild as this goes on, Charles. When you sign up your third customer or consultant, then you now dip down into the great grandchildren level. In other words, you got your children, box number 3, your grandchildren at that 18% box, your great-grandchildren, your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. At the grandchildren level, you get 6%. Now watch this. When you get your fourth personal client or customer, you now drop down all the way 6 levels at those extra 6%. Think about it this way. When you have children, and you have grandchildren and great-grandchildren, that usually costs you. You have to pay a lot of money to raise a family, right? In this business, when you get children and grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and so forth, it pays you. These percentages, Charles, can add up to a lot of money and a lot of benefits. Because here's what happens. Over here on the left-hand side, as your family tree grows, as your genealogy grows, and you get more what we call catalog qualifying volume, you earn additional 6% overlay bonuses. They get paid on top of these percentages. So if your total group or your family tree does 2,500 points, you now get 6% bonuses added to these numbers. And those 6% bonuses can keep going up quite dramatically as your family tree grows. There are people that earn $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month and more. And I predict we will have earners earning $250,000 a month just from huge family trees. Charles, the wellness business is a multi-billion-dollar business. And so what we do, in kind of just capsulizing this, we pay you to be the advertisement. We pay you to share the message with other people and to set up auto ship accounts, people that love our products, and every time you get an account, we pay you advertising money. And as you add to that, we earn for you, you earn things like bonus cars, cruises, international travel, health insurance, and residual income. Now, as your wellness business grows, there's some other neat benefits. We have something over here on the right-hand side that's called a wellness business pack. Some people, when they start, don't just go on auto ship. They get what's called a wellness business pack. A wellness business pack is a $750 cross-section of our best used products, the ones that are most likely to be reordered. Okay? Now, your goal is with that wellness business pack to use that as samples and demonstration and sales products and even for personal use.